Welcome back to the channel where we explore the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're diving into the top AI gadgets you can find on Temu. Get ready to discover how these innovations can streamline your life.
The cleaner will start to work and clean your pool automatically. Just one press to go. With a maximum suction power of up to 45,000 pascals, Crab can easily catch all kinds of debris, sand, small leaves and other garbage, and stubborn dirt in the floor. Crab uses self-developed 3D Navi tech with multiple sensors to improve the capability of wall climbing, as well as the high clean coverage. Thanks to that, Crab can climb and scrub the stairs, and the Baja shelf if it's deeper than 19.7 inch or 0.5 m. Turn it off, unbuckle and take the filter bin out to wash. Put the bin back to the cleaner. It also features a unique and durable battery designed for easily replacement. Charges this battery to full in green LED before its first use and after every clean.
I just got the pool vacuum cleaner. This is the box it comes with. Let me show you everything you get out of the box. Out of the box, you get an instruction manual, you get the charger and a hook to grab it from the pool, and you get the actual pool vacuum cleaner. I love that it doesn't have any cable, so it's fully automatic and with a big battery. So let me go on and charge it and show you how it is. When you're done charging it, you can long press the button to turn it on. And you have 3 different modes. You can select floor only, or wall and floor. After you select the mode, you want to grab the vacuum cleaner and place it halfway in the water. As you can see right now, the vacuum is working, it's making its way to the walls to clean. The whole cleaning system is automatic. As you can see right now, it's cleaning the walls and it's making its way thanks to the wheels around the pool.